To draw a lock, start with basic shapes like a rectangle for the lock body and a circle for the keyhole. Add details like a shackle, the curved part that goes through a hasp, and a latch mechanism. For a padlock, draw a rounded shape with a shackle extending from it and a keyhole on the side. You can also add a keyhole and decorative elements. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Basic lock shape. Rectangle. Draw a simple rectangle to represent the main body of the lock. Keyhole. Add a circle or oval shape on the side of the rectangle for the keyhole. Shackle for padlock. If drawing a padlock, draw a curved shape that connects to the body of the lock on both sides, forming the shackle. Padlock. Details. Body. Draw a rounded rectangle or a more complex shape with curved edges. Shackle. Draw a curved piece of metal that goes through the locking mechanism and connects to the padlock's body. Keyhole. Add the keyhole detail, often a circle or oval. Latch. If visible, draw the latch mechanism that secures the shackle. Decorative elements. Add details like lines or a brand logo to make the lock look more realistic. Tips. Start with light pencil lines to allow for easy erasing and adjustments. Use a ruler or compass to ensure your shapes are symmetrical and neat. Add shading and highlights to create a sense of depth and dimension. Experiment